Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your laptop not detecting Bluetooth headphones. This method will hopefully resolve the issue where your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer is not detecting your Bluetooth headphones. So let's get started. The first step is to open the search menu on your computer. Type in airplane mode and select the best match that appears. Open the airplane mode settings. Once you're in, ensure that airplane mode is turned off. If it's turned on, toggle it off. Under the Wireless Devices section, check that Bluetooth is toggled to the on position. Both of these settings are essential, so ensure they are configured correctly. Once you've verified this, close the window. If that doesn't resolve the issue, open the search menu again and type in Device Manager. Select the best match to open Device Manager. Look for the Bluetooth section and double-click on it to expand. Locate your Bluetooth device, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. In the Update window, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If multiple drivers are listed, select the non-generic driver if one is available. If you have a driver specific to the make and model of your Bluetooth device, that is the best option to use. Ideally, you should visit the manufacturer's website for your Bluetooth device, search for the latest drivers, and download them directly. This method ensures compatibility and better performance. However, for now, we're exploring general troubleshooting tips that might help resolve your issue. If this step doesn't work, let's move on to another solution. Open the search menu again and type in Services. Select the best match to open the Services app. In the list of services, scroll down to find Bluetooth Support Service. Double-click on it to open its properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service status shows as Stopped, click the Start button to initiate it. Once done, click Apply, then OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, restart your computer to apply the settings fully. Hopefully, at this point, your issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching.